Hi guys, how are you doing? Let's quickly make our fondant. We're going to be using 1 kg of icing sugar, 2 large eggs, emphasis on the large. If it's not large, you know go work. Glucose 100 grams, CMC 2 tablespoons of CMC. However, because of the season, we're going to be using 1 tablespoon, okay? If your eggs are not large enough, of course, you're not going to get enough egg whites. What will happen is that your fondant may still form, but it will be strong and it won't be easy to come together. So let's go. You're going to sieve your icing sugar, which we've already done. You add your CMC. I actually added the 2 tablespoons, but don't be like me, okay? It may not come out as easy for you, and especially if you don't know your way around it, just go with 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons. Okay, you're going to drain your egg whites, set it aside. Now you're going to dip your hand into a bowl of water to enable you collect your glucose without it sticking to your hand. You measure 100 grams of glucose, then you mix everything together. When you mix your icing sugar, your CMC, and your glucose, as you're mixing, be pressing together. After mixing, you add your egg whites, okay? Then you also mix and press together. Then you transfer to your work table. Ensure to clean your table, or you change your table. If you don't have more than 1, just wipe your table. And then you start kneading. A little more patience, a little more perseverance. You knead and knead and knead. It's going to come together. Okay? Once it comes together, you have your fondant. Cheers, you guys. See you soon. I'm going to show you in the next video what we used that fondant to cover. Bye. I love you.